Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm all about helping you transform chaos into harmony in a hurry-up world so that you have more inner peace, renewed hope, and happiness, and that you're living your life on purpose, that which has the greatest meaning for you. Because those things that matter most should never be at the mercy of those things that matter least. And so every Tuesday at 2, I'm going to share a tip, a video, a story, a technique that will help you to create harmony from within. Because if we don't have inner harmony, we won't have long-term success. It all comes from within. Most of our problems begin in our mind and are solved by creating harmony from within. And so I'm going to help you win the mind game. And the number one technique for that is to put out the APB on yourself. You know how the police will put out an APB for someone that's lost? Well, throughout our day, we actually get lost too. We get wound up in the distractions, the disruptions, our to-do lists, and all those things that kind of cause that chaos within our minds. And then by putting out the APB, you're finding yourself so that you can have awareness, pause, and breathe. And when you do that, when you get awareness, when you stop and pause, and then take 3 deep breaths, you're going to decrease that stress reaction in your body. And then you'll be able to have better problem solving, decision making. You'll be able to have emotional regulation, so many things. And so come back here next Tuesday at 2 so that I can share with you, with humor and heart, a few great stories, some great tips and techniques. It's only going to be 30 to 60 seconds long. I promise not to be too long-winded. So meet me here again. And remember, there is a greatness that lives within you. Create harmony from within and tap into that greatness.